Drop here in Southwest Florida. You might be seeing more people talking about getting sick right now, especially the flu. Experts say we're seeing more cases of the flu now than at peak season last year.
And this could mean more people will come down with the flu this season. So tonight I'm talking with the health department to see if getting that vaccine is really worth it and what one local retirement community is doing to keep the most vulnerable people protected.
Thank you for calling Gulf Coast Village. This is Tiffany. How may I direct your call?
Anytime he enters a room at Gulf Coast Village, Senior Executive Director Kevin Amati says he and his staff sanitize
so that we can prevent any outbreaks.
Outbreaks of the flu as cases spike across the country, around the state, and as the health department says, right here in Southwest Florida.
We're seeing a pretty large spike in cases over the past 2 weeks.
It's leading Amati to take advantage of some extra precautions.
We're cleaning and disinfecting not only our common spaces, but all the rooms that our residents are using. At each of the entrances, we have this setup here where we have the hand sanitizers, a mask, and some tissues.
The Florida Department of Health in Lee County says peak flu season is typically in February, but we're seeing it now, which means we're on track for a worse flu season when it comes to the number of cases reported.
We're going to see a lot of people ill.
Similar numbers are seen at Lee Health facilities. From December 25th to 31st, the agency saw over 250 cases of influenza A and nearly 350 of influenza B. More than last season's peak number of cases. And if you're wondering if this chilly weather impacts flu season, the answer is yes.
You're inside, and so your germs have nowhere to go except to infect the other people in your house.
At Gulf Coast Village, they offer flu vaccinations for residents and staff. Vaccinations, the CDC says, are only 10% effective.
Even if it doesn't protect you from actually getting the infection, it'll prevent you from getting so sick that you have to go to the hospital.
The Florida Department of Health in Lee County recommends if you feel like you may have the flu to stay home from work or school, of course, and get tested for the flu. To stay healthy, don't forget to wash your hands and wash them often. And remember, it's not too late to get that flu shot.